Hey friends, have you ever felt overwhelmed by APIs? Tired of getting too much or too little data from REST APIs? Well, get ready because today we are diving into GraphQL and trust me, it is going to make your life a lot easier. And we are doing this in a simple way, line by line, no fluff and no assumptions. In today's episode, which will be the only one with slides of this GraphQL Crash Course, I will guide you step by step through everything you need to know about GraphQL and Apollo, even if you are a total beginner. By the end of this, you'll be building your own GraphQL server with confidence. You must be thinking, what is GraphQL? There are a lot of wrong assumptions right there, like it is a library or it is, for example, a database. No. GraphQL simply is just a query language for APIs. Now think of it like going to a restaurant, ordering exactly what you want. Instead of REST APIs that give you too much or too little, like ordering a combo meal or only wanting the fries, GraphQL lets you say, hey, I want just the name and the price of the burger. Now, if you are dealing with REST APIs, you have to use multiple endpoints, for example, like slash products to get less of products, or slash product slash one to get one product details, or slash product slash one slash reviews to get only the reviews for one single product with ID of one. But with GraphQL, we can only use one endpoint, which is slash GraphQL, and we'll be sending a query. Inside that query, we'll tell it exactly what I want. For example, I want the product with ID 1 and I only want the name and the price of my product. Now, this is so clean and so specific, so no more overfetching or underfetching as well. Now, imagine that you request a course data from a REST API and you get the ID, the title, the author, the description, the video URL, and the price as well. But from your side, you only need the title and the price. All other data you don't need. Now GraphQL resolved this by letting you fetch just what you need. So you got the course info, but now you also want author and other courses, for example. Now with the rest, you need to add more endpoints, so more calls, which is really ugly. But with GraphQL, you just modify that single query using the same endpoint, but this time you say, I want the course with ID 1, but I want the title, the author, and for the author I want the name. Also, I want all the courses for that single author, and I want only the title of those courses. Now, this is amazing. It is just one call, everything you need, and so simple. Now imagine your data like a web or a graph, okay? So a course is connected to an author is connected to other courses, and a course is connected to reviews. Now with GraphQL, you can jump in anywhere and navigate the connections. That's why it is called Graph. Now in this series, we are going to set up GraphQL server using Node.js and Apollo server. We'll create our own schema resolvers. We'll query data. We'll connect related data as well. And in the end, we'll be able to add, update, and delete using mutations. Now, if you're ready to master GraphQL in a very simple way, go ahead and hit the subscribe. In the next episode, I will start setting up your environment and writing you your first schema. So grab a snack, open your code editor, and let's go build something awesome.